Are you looking for the best ceramic car coating? In this video, we will break down the top 5 ceramic car coatings on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. CarPro Cquarts Kit. This is a professional ceramic coating product. With its advanced formula, it is preferred and used by many professionals around the world to protect and prolong their vehicle's painting, coating. It is also one of the best ceramic coating products ever to hit the shelves of stores in recent times. This is easy to apply the product, which offers protection and gloss superior to that of all competitors who claim to provide your vehicle with a professional coating. When applying this ceramic car polish, you don't need any complicated machine or a lot of effort, for its enhanced fast action formula. With a higher percentage of purity and up to 70% of quartz, the Cquarts coating helps your vehicle develop resistance to bird-dropping damage, wash-induced marring, stains, traffic film, and high or low temperatures. Each kit contains items such as the Cquarts coating, 5 suede microfiber cloths, an applicator, and an optional rearview mirror hanger. At number 2. Color N Drive Car Ceramic Coating. The Color N Drive Ceramic Coating Kit ensures a shiny glossy finish that also keeps your cars safe from avian droppings, scratches, iron powder, stone chips, and UV light fading. It is very easy to use. You only need a single coat to get the desired finish. The whole kit comes with a pair of bottles, one for spraying and another for extra polishing. There's even a premium coated sponge that helps spread the paint sealer more evenly while also preventing scratches on your car. You can now keep your car looking perfect at all times with this unique ceramic coating paint sealant. The car polish will provide your car paint with a protective top coat that will keep it safe from scratches, stone chips, iron powder, and UV light fading. It will also leave a stunning shiny gloss finish for impressive results. It uses 9H nanotechnology that will provide you with a unique durability. This way the gloss coat will stay flawless for up to 5 years. The paint sealant is hydrophobic and can keep your car clean for longer as well as make it easier to clean. It can also stay intact for up to 100 to 150 washes. At number 3. Migliore Acqua Coating. This coating offers your boat or yacht unprecedented protection against the harsh underwater environment. It is a cutting-edge nano-ceramic coating that offers at least 12 months of protection regardless of weather or climate. The coating creates an incredibly slick ceramic shield that repels salt, dirt, algae, and other contaminants without hard scrubbing. The coating is hydrophobic, meaning it repels water, creating a situation where water will roll right off the surface of your vessel. Acting as a fortified layer of gel or clear coat, at a micro level, Acqua coating fills in the marrs and imperfections of the substrate layer to create a perfectly smooth surface. Due to this, the coating reduces the surface tension of the vessel and offers increased fuel mileage and performance. It is also extremely easy to apply. One bottle is enough for a 20 to 25 feet vessel. At number 4. Ethos Ceramic Wax 9H. This ceramic car coating gives a sleek, shiny finish that combines the two worlds of ceramic coating and wax in an easy-to-use package. To use it, no general DIY knowledge or prior experience in applying coatings is necessary. The coating is non-stick and water repellent, which makes cleaning the car a breeze. You can also use it on motorcycles, fiberglass, stainless steel, and windows with good results. Durability is one of the drawbacks of this car coating. At best, the coating will only last 12 months before you would have to apply another layer. Any plastic or rubber surfaces that get in contact with the product turn white as they've aged overnight. At number 5. Aerolon Tech Shine Coating. This is a polymeric, cross-linking, and moisture-activated coat film. This formula reacts really quickly with wet surfaces and cross-links with them to make a strong bond. It can be used on all external surfaces which are non-porous. The great about this gloss clear film is that it doesn't cause any ugly residue on moldings or plastics. This coating creates a durable, dark, and deep finish with an awesome look. Its water-based formula takes less than 5 minutes to apply during the final rinsing process. Less than 2 ounces can fully coat a mid-size car with an invisible protective shield. As it lasts for months, it is completely safe to use every time you choose to wash your vehicle. Its Tech Shine coating is one of the easiest ways to protect matte, plastic, and vinyl surfaces. The high-gloss clear film will never build up or leave residue on automobiles, boats, motorbikes, RVs, four-wheelers, and more.